Looks like my dirty little habit has got the best of me again. What is it that's on my porch again today? My wife said that she grabbed my package when I was at work. And I thought that was kind of weird because I was at work, but then she clarified and let me know that the package had come from Japan with more parts. So here I am. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I know what these are. These are those replacements for the dingy old door handles. So yeah, that looks pretty nice. So here's a look just to compare. So you got the faded gray one up there and then the new one. So pretty big difference. Camera's not really doing justice to that, but you can definitely see it's gray versus black. So obviously the next step is going to be the door panel removal. So I'm going to remove that and I'll be back. So for the door panel removal on the passenger side, you've got a couple screws here, and you've got 3 on the bottom. You got 1, 2, and 3. You've also got a screw behind that panel. Obviously you got to pop the clip off around the handle in order to pull the door cover off. You also have to remove the little cover there, and then there's a final screw which is hidden behind the window switch. So this little window switch is going to pop out, and then there's a screw back in there. So once you get all those out, it'll pop right off. Alright, so the new handle's on, and for removal all you got to do is right in the center of the screen there, you just reach in with your finger and pop that little metal extender out, which controls the door latch. Pop that out. There's one down there, and then this one up here, that tab, the little plastic tab, it's in the center. You got to pop that back off the metal extender before it will come up and out to get it out, and then just repeat the same process to put it back. But all the functionality of it works. Sorry for the lighting, it's the middle of the night right now, it's like 3 in the morning. But functionality, it works. So I'll put the door panel back on, do the other side. Alright, here's a look at the door handles. All installed, brand new, versus the old one. It's pretty sad, it's just all dried out. Kind of that infamous door handle that everybody has that same issue. After so long, the plastic gets all gross. So yeah, job's done. Passenger side. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And like always, I'll see you tomorrow.